This is Sean from Be Your Own Nerd. Today I'm going to show you 3 useful Mac shortcuts that you can use on your Mac. Now these are in no way 3 of the most useful shortcuts. These are just 3 useful shortcuts that I use every day on a daily basis. If you have a favorite shortcut that you use as well, please leave a comment below and let us know what that is. The first keyboard shortcut is Spotlight Search. And there's 2 ways you can do Spotlight Search. Obviously you can hit the magnifying glass in the upper right corner of your Mac desktop, but this is the easiest way, and that is by hitting Command and Spacebar. And that opens up the search box, and you can type in anything. For this example, I'm going to type in keyboard. And you can see here, it automatically gives me all these different options that it finds for keyboard. It finds the keyboard under System Settings. It finds another utility that I have, the Keyboard Clean Tool, which I did a previous video on. All sorts of different things. Spotlight Search is really useful on your Mac because it will give you anything that you need to find, including any files that you may be looking for. Another useful shortcut is the ability to take a screenshot of your desktop or your window that you're working in. And to do this, you're going to hit Command Shift 4 on your keyboard. You can see my mouse pointer has changed. I'm going to left click and hold. I'm going to drag with my mouse. I'm going to release the left mouse button. And as you can see now, I'm in this type of editor here. And what you can do here is you can share it, you can trash it if you don't like the screenshot, or you can go over here and you can edit it a little bit. And you can see here, by clicking this, I can come over here, I can draw on it, I can add text, all sorts of little things I can do on it. So this is really useful. It's built into your Mac, it's totally free, and it's just an easy way for you to take a screenshot of something on your Mac. And the last shortcut I'm going to show you is the application switcher. And to get to that, you do Command Tab on your keyboard. Hold down the Command key, tap the Tab key, and you can see here, these are the running applications I currently have on my Mac. For example, let's say I want to go to the activity monitor, even though I'm sitting here running the Arc browser in the foreground. I'm going to tab over to it, release the Command key, and there's the activity monitor. It's really simple to do. Remember, the whole idea of using shortcuts is just a quicker way than having to use your mouse. Everything I did today, you can also do with your mouse, but it's much easier and much more efficient to do it with a shortcut. Once again, this is Sean from Be Your Own Nerd. You can leave a comment below, or you can reach out to me on my website at BeYourOwnNerd.com. On my website, I also have a free weekly tech newsletter that I send out every Tuesday that you can sign up for. It's completely free. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a great tech day.